Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2008 code? This code indicates an electrical problem in the Intake Manifold Runner Control circuit on bank 1, meaning the actuator or control system is not receiving proper electrical signals from the ECU. P2008 stands for Intake Manifold Runner Control Circuit, OBD-II bank 1. In simple terms, the ECU has detected an open circuit in the intake runner control system, which prevents the runner flaps from operating correctly. This affects airflow control and overall engine efficiency. Common symptoms include check engine light on, poor engine performance, rough idle, weak acceleration, and inconsistent throttle response. In some cases, fuel efficiency may also decrease due to improper air intake management. Now the most important part: component and sensor locations. The intake manifold runner control actuator and position sensor are located on the intake manifold near the bank 1 cylinder head. The actuator controls the runner flaps inside the manifold, while the position sensor sends feedback signals to the ECU. The wiring harness connects the actuator and sensor directly to the ECU through the engine bay and is often exposed to heat, oil, and vibration, which can cause circuit faults. For quick diagnosis, begin by scanning live data using an OBD-II scanner and checking actuator command and position readings. Then inspect the wiring harness for broken wires, loose connectors, or corrosion. Use a multimeter to check circuit continuity and voltage supply to the actuator. After that, inspect the actuator motor and connector pins for damage or burnout. If an open circuit is found, repair the wiring or replace the faulty actuator assembly. Finally, clear the code and perform a road test to confirm proper intake runner operation. Remember, the most common causes of P2008 are broken wiring, loose connectors, or a faulty intake runner actuator on bank 1. Fixing the electrical issue on time will restore proper airflow control, improve engine performance, and prevent further drivability problems.